Hey guys, welcome back. If your installed RAM is not showing correctly in Windows, like you installed 8 GB but it shows 4 GB or less, don't worry guys. In this video, I show you 4 quick checks that fixed this problem for lots of people. Let's start. First, let's confirm how much RAM Windows is detecting. To do this, press Ctrl Shift plus Escape key together to open up Task Manager and go to Performance and go to Memory. And here you will see the total RAM detected, RAM speed, and available slots. Also, you can go to Settings and go to System, scroll down and select About. And now you just need to click on the drop down in device specifications and in installed RAM, if both places shows less RAM than what you physically installed, then continue to the next step. Now we need to confirm your Windows version still in this same page. If it says 32-bit Windows, then your system cannot use more than 3 to 4 GB of RAM. You must install 64-bit Windows to use all your RAM. Next, let's make sure Windows is not limiting your RAM. We just need to go to search menu and type run and click on open it. In run window, you just need to type msconfig and click on OK. Go to boot tab and select the advanced options option. And if you see maximum memory is checked, then uncheck it guys. And then click on OK. And then select apply and OK for save changes and select the restart option and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check on the task manager. If RAM is still not showing correctly, one of your memory sticks might be faulty. You can go to search menu and type Windows memory diagnostic. Just click on it and select the restart now and check for problems option. And this will help you to fix the problem, guys. And that's it, guys. For most people, one of these steps fixed the issue, especially the maximum memory setting or switching to 64-bit Windows. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe for more quick Windows fixes. See you in the next one.